plug, USB-C, cool, 45 watt plug. Add gaming, your games are going places. So this is the 64 gig version, and oh, that wasn't satisfying. I've got a 512 GB SSD, NVMe to install into this. So I paid £399 for this one, and I've paid an extra £70. 70? No, sorry, £65. Yeah, roughly 70 for a 512 GB SSD, which I'm going to install. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Valve. Oh. Ow. Should I cut it? Feels very light. What the hell is that? Cool. I've seen people on YouTube put this in. I'm not going to do that. Let's go. Away. Oh, I'm so excited, man. Wow. Wow. This feels super premium in a way. Feels very comfortable for me to touch the triggers. The button's so great. I honestly thought it would be heavier. I expected it to be bigger, to be honest. Wow, look at that. Valve. Oh, I wish I didn't have this stuff on it. I guess I can get a skin. Wow, these pads. I am so excited to play some games on this, man. I'm really looking forward to playing Days Gone. And then also having some emulators. Let's turn it on. Is it dead? Cool, it must be dead, so I'm just gonna charge it. Let's see where this goes. Cool, so it's up to here. As you can see, it's charging. Ooh, give me a chime. Let's try this now. Yes. I've already planned all the games I want to play, and I've already downloaded emulators and everything, so I'm just gonna watch a ton of YouTube videos and see how it works, see how everything is set up, and I'm just gonna go for it, to be honest. And I might put out either with this or another video of me upgrading my SSD. I thought it would be the cheapest option to buy the 64 GB and then manually purchase an SSD. I was looking for 1 terabyte, but with the 2230, it's quite expensive. It was £169, which is not too bad, I would say. But since we can upgrade with an SD card, I thought I didn't need it. Does it usually take this long? something's happening. Nice. Oh, A to select. Oh, this feels so good. Can I use that? Oh, no. Look at the size comparisons between this and my Nintendo. So this is the Nintendo OLED, as you can see. Oh, so I've just died. But that's the difference basically. It's like kind of similar weight, I can't explain it. But I've always found it difficult to play with the Nintendo for a long period of time because of the Joy-Cons, but don't get me wrong, I love this device. I just use the Hori pads because I prefer they're much bigger and they're easier for me to play with. But considering the Steam Deck is already shaped in that way, I feel like it would be suitable for my bigger hands. It doesn't seem uncomfortable, and it's quite light. I feel like I can play for a long period of time. In my hands and not be worried and all that stuff. Cool. So let me just set this up and see where it goes. So I've just completed this initial setup. It took I would say around 10 minutes, probably less. So it was updated. It updated the OS, I believe, and then just shut down and started again. And it asked me to log into my Steam account. Unfortunately, I have a really sad Steam library, but at least I have Elden Ring. So I'm just gonna test the device out, see how it plays and all that stuff, just before I change the SSD card, just in case there's something wrong with it, so I can return it. One thing I've noticed is obviously it's surprising how good it sounds. It sounds really good from I've just heard the initial boot noise, and it sounded incredible. I can't wait to try some really great games with great audio, especially like with Red Redemption and stuff.